Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Students, today I will get you the current affair of the month February 2022, and this is the part 4th. In each part I covered 25 questions, 25 into 4, total 100 questions in a month. And in which exam this video will be helpful? This video will be helpful in the RIMC exam that is going to be held in June 2022. June 2022. 100% current affairs section will be covered through this video. Okay, and as you know, there is a very huge weightage of current affair in the RIMC, Rashtriya Indian Military College. Around 25 questions come from this section of current affair in the exam of military schools that is going to be held on 3rd April 2022. In this exam there is a very good weightage of current affair, and individual cutoff is also. So without current affair it will be very hard, it will be very difficult to crack the individual cutoff in military schools also. And there is a very small portion of current affair in all India Sainik school. 5 to 6 questions come from this the section of current affair. In this exam you will get help through this video. And which language I will use? I will use the complete English language. If you are not compatible with English medium, you can watch our Hindi video also of the current affairs section. So let's start. Before go ahead, I want to tell you that Geometry School has brought the offline coaching facilities with hostel. Okay, those students who are not compatible with online education, they can avail our hostel facilities. How to avail hostel facility? You have to visit our official website, and on the official website you will see this section. Okay, and name, phone number, and select whether you want to take live class, book a demo, hostel facility, recorded lectures, mock test, others. You have to fill this inquiry form, and our team will call you back as soon as possible. Okay, if you are interested in live classes, you can call on this number. These are our official number. You can call for the RIMC live, RMS, or India Sainik School entrance examination. These are our recorded courses. You can avail these courses. If you have not sufficient time, you want to prepare in 10 to 15 days, then recorded courses are the best. These are our test series. You can avail. These are our test series, crash course type facilities for military schools. So in today's video I will get you the part 4 of the current affair of the month of February. So let's start. This is the last time that I had given you the burning question. So burning question is, this is column A, this is column B, and you have to match the column A with column B. Danube is a river. In column A all the 4 rivers are given, and in column B there are 4 continents. You have to tell which river flows in which continent. So Danube river flows in Europe. Danube river is found in Europe continent. Nile river is found in Africa continent. Amazon river is South America continent, and Mississippi river is North America continent. Okay, so next question. This is the burning question of last time. What is the name? Today's question number 1. What is the name of legendary singer and music composer who passed away recently? So the name is Bappi Lahiri. Bappi Lahiri is the name of legendary singer and music composer. So a question can be asked another way, that Bappi Lahiri is associated with which segment? The question can be asked in this way also: literature, singing, games. Okay, and there is another important singer who passed away recently, that is Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar, you have to remember this name also, Lata Mangeshkar. And what you have to remember about Lata Mangeshkar? Lata Mangeshkar won Bharat Ratna in the year of 2001. This date is important. This year is important. You have to remember. The question can be asked: Lata Mangeshkar passed away recently. In which year did she receive the Bharat Ratna? So the correct answer is 2001. 2001 she received Bharat Ratna. Okay, so next question. A joint military exercise Dharma Guardian 2022 was conducted between. So exercise Dharma Guardian conducted between India and Japan. So correct answer is Japan. And what is the capital of Japan? Japan capital is Tokyo. Japan currency is yen. The currency of Japan is yen. And who is the Prime Minister of Japan? Prime Minister of Japan is Fumio Kishida. Fumio Kishida, Kishida. Fumio Kishida is the Prime Minister of Japan. And another exercise that India conducts with Japan, one is GMEX, Japan India Maritime Exercise, GMEX, and Sinew Matri. Okay, Sinew Matri, SINYHUUMATIRY, Sinew Matri. And Japan is also known as Land of the Rising Sun. This question has come twice to thrice in RMS and RIMC. Land of which country is known as Land of the Rising Sun? Land of the Rising Sun. Why it is called Land of the Rising Sun? Because the lights of the sun among all the countries in the world, lights of the sun reaches first in Japan. Okay. And another thing about Japan, there is a place in Japan that is Kyoto. In 1992, various countries set an agreement to reduce the emission of GHG, greenhouse gases, that is known as Kyoto Protocol. Once this question has been asked, Kyoto Protocol is related to climate change. The question is asked in RIMC as well as RMS as well as Sainik School. So correct answer is option number A. Next question. Pune is located on the bank of which river? Pune is located on the bank of Mula Mutha river. And Pune comes in which city? Which state? Pune is the city of Maharashtra. Pune is the city of Maharashtra. And okay. So the correct answer is option number A. Next question. Mirabai Chanu is associated with which sport? Mirabai Chanu is associated with weightlifting. Why she is in the news? Because she has won 55 kg in the category of 55 kg weightlifting category. In 55 kg, she has won gold medal in Singapore weightlifting international championship. She has won gold medal, and now she has qualified for the Commonwealth Games 2022. So the correct answer is option D. Which country will host Commonwealth Games in 2022? Like India hosted Commonwealth Game in 2010. So in the year of 2022, the Commonwealth Game will be hosted by England. In which city? England's special city? Yes, you have to remember. Because the city is very important. Birmingham is the city that will host BARHINGHAM, Birmingham. Okay, BIRMING. Let me write down here. BIRMINGHAM, Birmingham. Birmingham is the city where the Commonwealth Games for 2022 will be happen. Next question. Has approved the construction of India's first e-waste eco park for the effective management of e-waste. So there will be a e-waste eco park that will reduce the usage of plastic, and through this e-waste eco park, the plastic will be reused. Reused. Okay, so the e-waste eco park will be established in Delhi. And who is the Chief Minister of Delhi? Arvind Kejriwal is the Chief Minister of Delhi. And who is the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? Anil Baijal is the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. And which party holds the government in Delhi? That is Aam Aadmi Party. Now Aam Aadmi Party has a government in two states. One is Delhi and another is Punjab. Okay, Punjab. Next question. So correct answer is option B. Name the operation through which India evacuated the Indians from Ukraine. So there is a war going on between Ukraine and Russia, and there are so many students and citizens of India who stuck in the Ukraine. So India has started an operation named as Operation Ganga, through which the students bring to our nation. So the correct answer is Operation Ganga. So correct is option B is not, option C is the right answer. And what is the capital of Ukraine? Ukraine capital is Kiev. Kiev. You have to remember the capital. Next question. Overall, India is ranked out of 55 countries in the International Intellectual Property Index, IIP index. It is known as IIP. So India has improved around 6 rank. That is, India's current rank is 43. And which country is number 1 in this rank? USA, United States of America is number 1, and Venezuela is last. Venezuela is a oil exporting country, so it is a member of OPEC group. And what is the capital of Venezuela? Venezuela capital is Caracas. This question is asked 2 to 3 times in RIMC, SANIC and RNS. So correct answer is C. Chernobyl nuclear plant is located in which country? Why this is in news? Because Russia has captured Chernobyl nuclear power plant through Ukraine. That's why this is in news. So it is located in Ukraine. The correct answer is Ukraine. And what happened in Chernobyl nuclear power plant? Yes, there was a nuclear disaster that happened in 1986. There was a leakage, there was a blast in this nuclear power plant. So that's why it is important. And in the war between Russia and Ukraine, Russia has captured this Chernobyl nuclear power plant. Next question. Who has named as India's first National Maritime Security Coordinator? India's first National Maritime Security Coordinator is, very important question, G. Ashok Kumar. G. Ashok Kumar is the India's first National Maritime Security Coordinator. I am marking this VVIP IMP. Very important question. Okay, you have to remember G. Ashok Kumar is the right answer. And when do we celebrate Navy Day? We celebrate 4th of December. 4th of December is celebrated National Indian Navy Day. And who is our Admiral Chief of Navy? CNS, Chief of Navy Staff, current Chief of Navy Staff, that is Admiral R. Hari Kumar. You have to remember this name also, R. Hari Kumar. Next question. Recently, a 2-day international conference, Devyatnam, an Odyssey of Indian temple architecture, was held at which place? So, there is a conference to show the richness of India, temple architecture of India. The event will be held at Hampi. The correct answer is Hampi. And where is Hampi located? Hampi is located in, Hampi is a group of monuments recognized by UNESCO. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it is located in Karnataka. You have to remember the name of the state also, Karnataka. United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. Its headquarters in Paris, the capital city of France. Okay, so Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, group of monuments. It is located in Karnataka. So Devyatnam and Odyssey of temple architecture was held at Hampi. Exercise Eastern Bridge 6, the 6th version, that is the year of 2022, was successfully conducted at Air Force Station Jodhpur. Jodhpur is in Rajasthan. It is conducted between India and which Middle East country? So you have to notice these type of hint here in the question. Hint is given Middle East. So those students who have the knowledge about Middle East country, they can answer this question easily. So the correct answer is Oman. The correct answer is Oman, because USA, Japan, Seychelles are not the Middle East country. USA is North America country, Japan is Russian, Asian country, Seychelles is South, Seychelles is African country. So Oman is Russian country, but Oman is Asian country, but in Asia it comes in Middle East part. Okay, so Oman, correct answer is Oman. And what is the capital of Oman? Oman capital is Muscat. This is also important. Which football club wins 2021 FIFA Club World Cup Championship? So which football club has won this? The answer is Chelsea. Chelsea is a team of England. Chelsea. There are around 4,000 football clubs in the world. Like as IPL, there are 10 teams in the game of football. There are around 4,000 football clubs, but 10 to 15 are important for your exam. 10 to 15 are important, and 4 of them are here. 4 of them here. So what are the important? Like at Barcelona, you have to remember the country. Barcelona from Spain, Real Madrid from Spain. So top number one, top two in the rank is from Spain, and Bayern Munich is important. Number 3, Manchester United super important. Liverpool is important. Manchester City is important. So these are you can observe that they are the most of them from England. Okay, most of them from England. So these are some important football club that you have to remember their country at least. Okay, so which of the following team won the men's title in Senior National Volleyball Championship 2021-22? So which team lifted the title? That is correct answer is Haryana. The correct answer is Haryana. Okay, and there are 2 national park in Haryana: Kalesar National Park, Kalesar, and Sultanpur National Park. These are 2 important national park of Haryana. And there is a folk dance of Haryana, that is Dhamal. DHA, Dhamal folk dance is performed by Haryana people. Next question. World Day of Social Justice observed on which day? World Day of Social Justice is observed on 20th of February. National Science Day is observed every year on which day? National Science Day we observed every year on 20th February. And why do we celebrate this on 20th February? Because on this day, the physician C.V. Raman was born. To pay the birthday tribute C.V. Raman, we celebrate 20th February as 20th February National Science Day. And what invented by C.V. Raman? So he discovered Raman effect. For the discovery of Raman effect, he received Nobel Prize in 1930. He received Nobel Prize in 1930 in the field of physics. You have to remember this date, this year, and this name. And what is Raman effect? Change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a light beam is deflected by molecules. Okay, when the light beam is deflected, the change in the path of light beam, and due to which the wavelength get changed, this effect is known as Raman effect. Okay, so next question is, theme is also important of this question. Theme, you have to remember theme also. Integrated approach in science and technology for sustainable future. This is the theme you have to remember. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated a 550-ton capacity Govardhan Bio-CNG plant. Govardhan Bio-CNG plant in which city? So in which city it was inaugurated? It was inaugurated in Indore. Okay, the correct answer is Indore. Indore is located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. And Indore is the cleanest city of India. Which city is the cleanest city? That is Indore. And this is 5th in a row. For the 5th time in a row, Indore has been judged as the cleanest city in India. For 5th time in a row. 5th time. Okay. And which city is number 2? Number 2 is Surat. Surat is found in Gujarat state. Surat is also known as Diamond City of India. Table tennis player Manika Batra joins which of the following company as the brand ambassador? So Manika Batra joins Adidas. So she is the brand ambassador of Adidas. And the more important question of this type is that Manika Batra is associated with which sports? So you have to remember that is table tennis. Okay, and she belongs to Delhi. She belongs to Delhi. She is a Delhi girl. India has decided to cancel exercise Cobra Warrior 2022. This exercise conducts between India and UK. Cobra Warrior exercise is conducted by India and UK. So correct answer is option number D. Who is the Prime Minister of UK? Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson is the Prime Minister of UK. You have to remember this name. And there is another tri-services military exercise between India and UK, that is Konkan Shakti. This is a tri-service exercise, Konkan Shakti. What do you mean by tri-service exercise? Tri-service exercise means that all the three services of India, like Air Force, Army, and Naval, all the three services will participate in this exercise. Which of the following company gets India's most trusted public sector company award? So, what are public sector companies? Public sector companies are those companies which are owned by government. If the ownership, if the government is the owner of any company, then the company is known as public sector company. So, which company gets India's most trusted public sector company? That is CIL. CIL is Coal India Limited. Coal India Limited. Coal India Limited. Okay, and where is the headquarters of CIL? CIL headquarters is Kolkata. Kolkata is the city of Kolkata is the capital city of Bengal, and Kolkata is known as Joy City of Joy. If the question is known as City of Joy, is known as Kolkata. And what are this? Steel Authority of India, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Gas Authority of India Limited. These are the important Maharatan companies. Next question. A book titled "How to Prevent the Next Pandemic" has been authored by. So the book is authored by Bill Gates. The correct answer is Bill Gates. Or which Bill Gates? Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft. Bill Gates is the founder of American company Microsoft. Which Indian city to get India's first bullet train station by 2024? So the city name is Diamond City of India, that is Surat. Diamond City of India, that is Surat. Okay, and Surat is located on the bank of Tapi River. You have to remember this fact also. It is known as Diamond City, Silk City, and it is located on the bank of Tapi River. Surat is located in the state of Gujarat. India to help which country to launch its version of Aadhaar? Like as India has its Aadhaar, every citizen of India now have the Aadhaar card, Aadhaar number. So in the similar manner, which country wants to get Aadhaar number for its citizen? That is Sri Lanka. The correct answer is Sri Lanka. And who is the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? Prime Minister of Sri Lanka is Mahinda Rajapaksa. Mahinda Rajapaksa. You have to remember the name. And which president? Because they are confusing. Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Mahinda Rajapaksa is the Prime Minister. President is Gotabaya Rajapaksa. And there is a port in Sri Lanka that is owned by China. That is Hambantota Port. China purchased this port on lease for 19 years. Yes. And Sri Lanka is also in that under the debt trap of China. And Japan and India are trying to evacuate from the debt trap of China to Sri Lanka. And what is the capital of Sri Lanka? There are two capitals of Sri Lanka. One is Colombo and another is Jayawardenepura. So Colombo is the executive and judicial capital. Executive and judicial. And Jayawardenepura is legislative capital. Okay. And there is a water passage between India. This is the map. Let me show on the map. This is the water. This is India, and this is southern part. This is Kerala. This is Tamil Nadu, and here is Sri Lanka. And this is a water passage between India and Sri Lanka. This water passage is known as Park Strait. This is also important question. Park Strait. Next question. What is the rank of India in Digital Skill Index? So the rank of India is 63. Which state government has launched the country's first night navigation mobile application in rivers for ferries? So this mobile application has been launched for the river of Brahmaputra River. And which state government has launched this? The name is Assam. Assam collaborated with IIT Madras. With the help of IIT Madras, Assam government launched this system, that is night navigation mobile application. And who is the Chief Minister of Assam? Assam Chief Minister is Hemanta Biswa Sarma. HBS Hemanta Biswa Sarma. And who is governor? Jagdish Mukhi is the governor. There is an important classical dance of Assam that is known as Satariya. There are 7 folk classical dance of India. Satarya is the important classical dance, and it is performed by Vaishnav Sant. Vaishnav Sant performed the classical dance of Satarya. Which organization will set up India's biggest wrestling academy in Delhi? So India's biggest wrestling academy will be set up in Delhi. And which organization will set up? Indian Railway. Indian Railway will set up biggest wrestling academy. Or who is the Union Minister of Railway? That is Ashwani Vaishnav. Ashwani Vaishnav is the Union Minister of Railway. He is the Minister of Electronic Information Technology and Communication also. The book title, A History of Sri Niketan, Rabindranath Tagore's pioneering work in rural construction, was authored by. So the correct answer is Uma Das Gupta. Basically, the book is about Rabindranath Tagore. In which year Rabindranath Tagore received the Nobel Prize? In the year of 1930. In the year of 1930. For which literature did he receive the Nobel Prize? He received the Nobel Prize for the literature of Gitanjali. Gitanjali is the collection of various poems and literature works. So for the works of Gitanjali, he received the Nobel Prize in the field of literature in 1930. Who among the following has been conferred with the Hilal-e-Pakistan? In Pakistan's second highest award, Hilal-e-Pakistan. It was won by Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft. Today's burning question, important question. The chances of this question to come in the exam is very high. What is the capital city of Ukraine? What is the capital city of Ukraine? You have to comment this the answer of this question in the comment box. If you are a serious aspirant of military schools, Rashtriya Indian Military College or Sainik School Navodaya, you can avail these courses, and these are mock test series you can avail because the exam is near military school as well as Rashtriya Indian Military College. This will be very helpful in those exams. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. If you don't hit the bell icon, then then the notification of the video that way I will publish in the upcoming days, you will not get the notification. So it is very necessary, it is very important to hit the bell icon. If you like the video, then press the like button and share the video to your friend so that they can get maximum benefits. These are our official number. You can call on this number or WhatsApp on this number, and if you have any problem regarding school and test regarding. So let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.